Thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking, and today I will be showing you how to make some okra soup. So I'm using some extra virgin olive oil, and I have some okra. Next, you want to add a can of diced tomatoes, Next, let's add our smoked turkey sausage. Now, if you do not want turkey sausage in your okra soup, you can add some boneless, skinless chicken breast cut up into cubes, or you may omit the meat and just have the okra as just a vegetable soup. Okay guys, so next I'm adding bouillon cubes. This is the chicken bouillon cubes that I am adding. Also, if you cannot find the bouillon cubes, you can use chicken broth. So you would just use 1 carton or 2 of the chicken broth instead of the bouillon cubes. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The directions will be available in the description below. So next I will be adding the okra and sausage mix. Okay, let's allow this to cook. Also guys, if you haven't noticed, this is a Creole dish. Okay guys, our food is completely cooked. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And the information will be available in the description below. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day.